these are the Yupik black chia seeds, 2.2 pound bag. You can see the size of the bag in comparison to an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper here. Big bag. These are the natural black chia seeds, great superfood. You can see they're kind of all staticked into the bag. It's a resealable bag. I use them in my protein shakes, and I like to let them sit in the water for a little bit so they gel up, and I also like to keep them in a container so it's easier for me to spoon in and out. They're 150 calories per serving, and a serving size is 4 tablespoons. For me, it's just something healthy to throw into a protein shake, and I'll just use a teaspoon of them in each of my protein shakes, which I eat 2 a day. If you're using a 4 tablespoon serving size, you're looking at 13 grams of carbs, but 10 of those grams are dietary fiber, which is great. There's no sugar in here. I love that. There is some calcium in here, a little bit of calcium, and some iron, and a little bit of potassium. For me, it's just a great item to throw into my protein shakes. I'll use 1 teaspoon of it. That's why I put it in this container. Good stuff. Nice big bag. Love it.